I just picked up this Prizm Mega Box at a local Walmart. You see me open up the value packs from that Walmart. Didn't really get anything in there, so this says it's got one autograph per box on average. So hopefully we get a pretty good autograph out of here. Look at all that empty space. Kind of a waste. Save those 2 bonus packs till the end. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs in the 2 bonus packs. So let's rip these open and see what we get. Luis Severino, Scorching insert. A friend of mine had a box of these. I looked through the cards after he opened them, and some pretty nice looking cards. Tom Seaver. That's like a orange or a red. Andrew Benintendi. Pack number 2. Lumber Inc. Mike Trout. Insert card. Whoa, there you go. Brian Anderson from the Miami Marlins refractor. And that is numbered 62 out of 399. Kevin Pillar. Pack number 3. Jose Ramirez. Numbers game. Javier Baez. Insert. Kyle Wright. Steven Duggar. Felix Hernandez. Carlos Carrasco. Kevin Newman rookie card. Sean Lanaya. Adrian Beltre. Michael Perez. Framber Valdez. Fromber rookie card. Honestly, never seen his name before, so. And the baby giraffe, Brandon Belt. Sean Bieber. Instant Impact, Juan Soto. Colby Allard rookie card. Jose Abreu. So down to our last two regular packs. There's not a lot of packs in this box, so the video shouldn't take long. Luis Castillo. This might be our hit. So we're gonna flip this around. Andrew Velasquez, rookie card. Luis Ortiz, Baltimore Orioles, rookie card. And Ryan O'Hearn, rookie card. Autograph. If any of you guys watch Jab's Family Breaks, you'll understand why I laughed so hard. I seriously just got done watching his 2019 Stadium Club break last night, and he was pulling a ton of Ryan O'Hearns, and it seems like any product he opens this year, he's pulling a ton of Ryan O'Hearn autographs. So I guess it's only fitting that I get my own, right? Wow. That's funny. Oh well. It was either going to be a Ryan O'Hearn or Cedric Mullins the way it was going, so. Rollins and Cano. Gleyber Torres. Eric Hosmer. Blue Parallel. David Wright. And here's our two bonus packs. I don't know if there's going to be any difference in the bonus packs. I think they're just honestly bonus packs. Corey Kluber, Miles Straw, rookie card, Chris Bryant, Justin Verlander. Here's the last pack. Miguel Cabrera, Mike Minor, Nick Williams, and Christian Stewart, rookie card. Okay. Nice looking product. It's just a little disappointing that our autograph, our hit in the box, is a Ryan O'Hearn autograph rookie card. 58 out of 100. Would have been better if it was an even lower number. You know, like out of 10, or at least 25, something like that. Here's some of the parallels and inserts and stuff like that. Coolest one, the inserts, is probably the Mike Trout Lumber Inc. The Brian Anderson was cool. Numbered out of 399. So there you go, guys.